Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to my channel, BeeSoRandom. I am Bianca. Today on my channel we're going to be making some garlic mayo sauce. So I hope you are ready. It's going to be quick and easy and to the point. And by the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please share with all your friends so they can be up to date on everything that's going on. Alright, let's eat. So what you're going to need is some mayo. You can use vegan mayo, you can use regular mayo. If you're not vegan, it doesn't matter. If you're trying to go vegan, try this mayo. It is actually pretty good. Doesn't taste any different than any other mayo, so don't worry. So you're gonna need some mayo, some fresh garlic, some vegan butter, some lemon, and seasonings of your choice. I'm going to use onion powder and this sriracha salt that I love because I love a little spice inside of my sauce. And last but not least, you're going to need something to put it in. So I just use this old salad dressing. I keep my salad dressings containers and I clean them out, take off the label, and I put what I want in there. Also, sometimes in this I do use a little bit of onion and sometimes a little bit of ginger, pickled ginger, but it depends on how I feel. Okay. So first things first, you're gonna melt a little bit of your butter, about a full tablespoon. So you can use regular butter. If you're kind of transitioning into the vegan lifestyle, use regular butter, slowly transition. And if you are just fully going head on vegan, just go ahead and get you some plant-based or vegan butter, okay? So you're gonna melt your butter, put it inside your mixer. So I'm using my Ninja, no plug. So I poured my butter in here. Next up, I use about a cup of mayo. You can measure yours out if you want to. I usually don't. So about, I don't know, some big heaping tablespoons of mayo. Said before, you can use your vegan mayo or regular mayo. It just depends on where you are in your transition to being vegan. About a cup. After you get your mayo in there along with your butter, you're going to add about a clove to a clove and a half of garlic. I kind of just eyeball it, especially when I have one of these packs of garlic. I just eyeball it. I love garlic. That's what it looking like so far. And then I add a little bit, a squirt or two of this lemon. For a little zest. Nice little, probably about a tablespoon. And then I add some seasonings. So I got some onion powder and some sriracha salt, a little spice. And I feel like adding a little bit of onion, so I had this mix of onion and ginger. This is the pickled ginger that I use in my mix. So what I do with that mix is like a half an onion in a blender along with like a tablespoon of this pickled ginger, and I just blend it together. I do that when I make my other sauce. We'll talk about that another time. All right, so a little bit of pickled ginger onion mix. So I just break off a little bit. Little piece. Put it in there. You don't have to add onion if you don't like onion. I add a little bit of onion because I like it. So this is what it looks like. If you grate your onion up and put it in there. Now I just put the top on, and that is it. That's all you have to do. And sometimes I add a little bit more lemon or a little bit more mayo, depends on the consistency, because I want it to fit in here and be able to pour it out. So let's mix this up. in my blender. So what I do now is kind of like, I'm just shaking it down so it's not on top, and do a taste test to see if that is the consistency you like, that's the spice level you like. I might put a little bit more cayenne pepper, not with the salt because you don't want it to be too salty. That'd be gross. But I might add a little cayenne pepper to make it a little bit more spicy, but we can do a taste test right now and see if I need to add anything else. Sometimes I add a little bit more lemon. Love it. Smells really good. I actually need to add, it's really garlicky. So if you don't like garlic, don't add as much, but I like garlic. So I'm gonna add a little bit more onion and a little bit more, and some cayenne. And just remember, if you go a little overboard on something like the garlic or too much onion or, you know, too much lemon, you can always put more of the mayo in here to kind of like balance it out. As I was putting my concoction together, I decided to add a little bit of Dijon mustard, just for a little bit to bring down that garlicky flavor and add a little bit of a tang to it. So about a tablespoon of mustard. Yes, that mustard set it off. You want this runny consistency. This is what you want. That way it makes it easy to pour and easy to spread. You can use something to pour it in there, but I have a fairly steady hand, so I just pour. And you want it this consistency, so you can get it, you can have it thicker if you want it to be more of a mayo, but since I like to use this dipping sauce with a plethora of stuff, I just like it to have a kind of looser consistency. And there you are, a quick and easy garlic mayo sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click that thumbs up for me. Like, subscribe, share it with all of your friends. And until next time, bye.